Can I transfer money from Cash App to my Nigerian bank account? Yo, what's up, guys? So, you've got money chilling in your Cash App, and you're thinking, can I get this cash into my Nigerian bank account? Good question. Let's dive into it. Now, I know what you're thinking. Cash App is super convenient for sending money to friends, buying stuff online, and even investing. But when it comes to transferring money directly to a Nigerian bank account, things get a bit tricky. Cash App is primarily designed for domestic transactions within the U.S. It's not specifically set up to handle international transfers, especially to countries like Nigeria. So, the short answer is, you can't directly transfer money from your Cash App to a Nigerian bank account. But hold up, don't hit that back button just yet. There's still hope for getting your Cash App money into your Nigerian hands. Let's explore some workarounds. Option 1. Cash out to a debit card. One way to get your money out of Cash App is to cash out to a debit card. Now, this card needs to be linked to your Cash App account, and it also needs to be a card that works internationally. If you have a debit card linked to your Nigerian bank account that works outside of Nigeria, you might be able to transfer the money to it through Cash App. However, there are a few things to consider. First, not all Nigerian debit cards work internationally. Second, even if your card does work, there might be fees involved, and the exchange rate might not be the best. Option 2. Peer-to-peer transfers. Another option is to use a peer-to-peer transfer service. There are several platforms out there that allow you to send money from the U.S. to Nigeria. These platforms typically have better exchange rates and lower fees compared to traditional bank transfers. How does this work with Cash App? Well, you'd first need to cash out your Cash App balance to your linked U.S. bank account. Then, you can use the peer-to-peer transfer service to send the money to a Nigerian bank account. Option 3. Bitcoin, with caution. Now, hear me out. Bitcoin is a digital currency that's gaining popularity. While it's not without its risks, it can be a way to transfer money internationally. Here's how it could work. You buy Bitcoin on Cash App. Then, you transfer that Bitcoin to a Bitcoin wallet. From there, you can convert the Bitcoin to Naira and send it to a Nigerian bank account. But I want to emphasize that this method comes with risks. The price of Bitcoin is volatile, meaning its value can fluctuate significantly. Plus, there are fees involved in buying, selling, and transferring Bitcoin. So, proceed with caution and do your research. Important considerations. Before you try any of these methods, it's important to consider a few things. Fees. There are likely going to be fees involved in any of these methods. Compare the fees of different options to find the most cost-effective one. Exchange rates. Pay attention to the exchange rates. Different methods will offer different rates, so choose the one that gives you the best value for your money. Security. Protect your money by being cautious about who you share your financial information with. Use strong passwords and enable two-factor authentication whenever possible. Time. Some methods might take longer than others to complete the transfer. Consider how quickly you need the money. So, there you have it. While you can't directly transfer money from Cash App to a Nigerian bank account, there are a few workarounds you can try. Remember to weigh the pros and cons of each option before making a decision. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time. Let me know in the comments if you have any other questions. Peace out.